This is a brand from Heat Controller which is a part of Mars and is made in America, but the units are only sold through factory authorized dealers in the USA. The TPRG-R model heat pumps have a 13.4 SEER2 cooling efficiency with a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency, but they use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. They are relatively loud with noise ratings of 77 decibels and use timed defrost instead of being demand-based, which can waste energy on unnecessary defrost cycles. The units can be field converted from roof mount, down discharge, to slab mount, side discharge, and offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts. The units feature a drain pan float switch that stops the unit from operating if the condensate drain becomes clogged. This can prevent damage to the inside of the building when the units are mounted on the roof. They are backed by a pretty good guarantee that includes unit replacement in case of compressor failure within the first year.